Tesla is thinking to build the second factory in Texas, but this time it's going to be a battery-grade lithium refining facility. Tesla is evaluating the possibility of developing a battery-grade lithium hydroxide refining facility in North America. The company seems to be proactively looking to support its battery manufacturing efforts. So let's see what this means. Bloomberg found documents suggesting that Tesla applied for tax breaks with the Texas Comptroller's office. The public documents show that Tesla isn't just considering refining lithium hydroxide. Tesla is also looking into constructing facilities that support other battery material processing, refining, and manufacturing, as well as ancillary manufacturing operations. Tesla explained that its battery-grade lithium hydroxide refining facility would process raw ore material into a usable state for battery production. The company seems to have developed an innovative refining process that consumes less hazardous reagents than conventional methods. Tesla is eyeing an area in Nueces County, Texas, for its lithium refining facility. If it chooses the site in Texas, Tesla plans to begin construction on its refining facility in Q4 2022. The company forecasts that the facility will reach commercial operations by Q4 2024. This means that by the end of this year, we may hear about another Tesla factory, another Tesla facility that basically will be making batteries or battery-grade lithium. And Tesla will announce it likely in Nueces County in Texas by the end of this year and finish the production within 2 years and have the commercial operations ready for Q4 2024. The electric vehicle manufacturer added that its lithium hydroxide refining facility could theoretically be located anywhere with access to the Gulf Coast shipping channel. However, as of this report, it's looking at sites in Texas and Louisiana. Elon Musk has urged young entrepreneurs to invest in the lithium business. During the Q1 2022 live Q&A webcast, Musk shared that lithium is responsible for, quote, quite a bit of cost growth in battery cells and therefore the single biggest cost growth factor for Tesla at the moment. He said, "We're looking carefully at all of the raw materials and trying to figure out how we can accelerate the total amount of raw materials needed to transition the world to sustainability," Musk said. "So we think we're going to need to help the industry on this front, but the industry is very fast. And I certainly encourage entrepreneurs out there who are looking for opportunities to get into the lithium business. The lithium margins right now are practically software margins. And as you know, software margins are very high." What do you think, friends, about this development? Tesla need to find some way to invest the huge pile of cash they are generating. Vertical integration has worked very well for Tesla so far, so lithium refining might be a very good move. Tasmanian is reporting some breaking information about the capacity of Tesla's Fremont factory. It says Tesla Fremont has reached a production capacity of 12,000 vehicles per week and plans to produce 14,000 electric vehicles per week in the future, according to a newly appointed executive. The newly appointed Senior Director of Vehicle Operations and Manufacturing Engineer at Tesla, Rushi Sagar, recently visited Giga Nevada, where he held a staff meeting. He spoke about the achievements of the Tesla company, its factories, development prospects, and much more. The audio recording of the meeting was listened by CNBC. Among other things, Sagar told employees about the Fremont, California factory, which continues to achieve the impossible in terms of production performance. He said the facility produced 134,000 vehicles in Q2 2022, which is a clear record. The executive said August was a new record month in terms of production, and the Fremont factory has already reached the capacity of a whopping 12,000 vehicles per week. In addition, he said that it plans to produce 14,000 vehicles per week, although he did not specify a time frame for achieving this. Tesla's Fremont plant, even with the inefficient location of its manufacturing facilities left over from General Motors and Toyota, has been a great success, even with all limitations that Fremont factory has. In June, the factory reached its highest daily output ever and so far has apparently been able to break the previous set record. With a production capacity of 12,000 vehicles per week, this should equate to 1,714 cars per day. For comparison, in 2021, Fremont factory produced an average of 1,221 vehicles per week. Now compare the 1,200 vehicles per week with 1,700 vehicles per day. Compare Tesla's Fremont's capacity of 1,200 vehicles per day to 1,700 vehicles per day at the Fremont factory. During that meeting, the site leader in Giga Nevada, Eric Montgomery, told employees they need to reach a steady output of 8,800 batteries per week to support Fremont's new production targets and maximize all-wheel drive builds. Tesla Giga Nevada exceeds 6,500 Powerwall per week production, and Tesla is on target to make 442 megapacks in Q3. A recent meeting with Tesla employees has revealed that Gigafactory Nevada is hitting its stride in the production of the company's battery storage products like the Powerwall and Megapack. The Powerwall and Megapack are invaluable components of Tesla Energy, which Elon Musk believes could eventually be larger than the company's electric vehicle business. Have you ever imagined that? Imagine Tesla Energy product business, especially the Megapack, for which Tesla is building a huge factory in La Trobe, California. Imagine this Tesla Energy business being larger than company's electric vehicle business. Anyway, Gigafactory Nevada underwent leadership changes this year, with former Vice President of Gigafactory Operations Chris Lister leaving this summer. Taking his place is Rushi Sagar, who was promoted to oversee Giga Nevada. Sagar, who is also overseeing the Fremont factory, will be reporting directly to CEO Elon Musk. On Thursday, Sagar held a meeting with hundreds of Gigafactory employees. During the meeting, whose audio and documents were shared with CNBC, Sagar and other Tesla executives talked about management changes, factory milestones, and some ambitious goals for Tesla's facilities. Gigafactory Nevada does not produce vehicles unlike Giga Shanghai, Giga Berlin, and Giga Texas. Instead, the facility is tasked with the production of 2170 batteries for Tesla electric vehicles and powertrains that are used in the Model 3 sedan and Model Y crossover. Gigafactory Nevada also produces key Tesla Energy products such as the Powerwall, a battery for residential customers, and the Megapack, a battery that's designed for commercial use. A very important and very expensive battery. Sagar noted that the Fremont factory has been on a roll, producing 134,000 vehicles in the second quarter of 2022. He added that Fremont is now able to produce 12,000 vehicles per week, and that factory is looking to increase this to 14,000 cars per week. Giga Nevada, on the other hand, produces 283,473 powertrains in Q2 2022, allowing the facility to feed the company's vehicle production facilities. Sagar clarified that he does not plan to spend most of his time in Giga Nevada, he does plan to work closely with key people in the facility, such as energy leader Matt Reddick and site leader Eric Montgomery, who noted during the meeting that August 22, 2022 was Giga Nevada's second best month of production, coming second only to October 2021. Montgomery also noted that Giga Nevada has to achieve a steady output of 8,800 high-voltage battery packs per week to support the company's aggressive vehicle production plans. Now, let's talk about Powerwalls and Megapacks. Powerwall production in Gigafactory Nevada is hitting its stride, with the facility exceeding 6,500 units of the residential battery system per week. Montgomery noted that Giga Nevada produces 37,600 Powerwalls in Q2 2022, and this is poised to increase by 22% in Q3 2022. Reddick, for his part, noted that Tesla is on target to produce 442 Megapack batteries for the third quarter, If successful, this would represent an 85% growth in megapack production compared to the previous quarter. During the meeting, questions were asked about the potential location of the company's next gigafactory. This question was also asked. While Sagar noted that he is not at liberty to reveal confidential information about Tesla's plans, he noted that the company has some candidates for the next gigafactory's locations. Note this, some candidates. He said, I have some idea on the candidates, but I don't think I'm at liberty right now to disclose those candidates because of the confidentiality around some of those things. There is an exciting future for North America and all around the Americas, Sagar said. I think this tells me that the next gigafactory surely will be in North America, and when it says in Americas, that means another gigafactory is likely to be in South America. What do you think, friends? There is an exciting future for North America and all around Americas. Wow! Does that sound like Canada plus Mexico plus Brazil plus another gigafactory in the United States, potentially in Kansas? There is a lithium in the United States, Canada, northern Mexico, and Argentina, Chile, Bolivia. Lots of big news. Let me know, friends, what do you think about these things? Where will be the next gigafactory?